Shalom, brothers and sisters. Welcome to week 6 of our study of God's work in Syriac and Syriac's importance to biblical studies. By now, you've finished your study of John Healy's grammar, which is a primer, so it's a foundational grammar to which you can refer again and again. So if you need to read it one more time, review your exercises, read things for the first time, this week is an excellent opportunity to solidify what you've read in Healy. Our translation this week is going to be smaller because we want you to be able to have ample time to finish your critique and to get ready for the residency. So just 2 verses from Exodus this week, chapter 2, verses 23 and 24. I recommend that you read the Syriac out loud. You know the consonants, you know the vowels, pronounce it out loud, enjoy it, compare it with the Hebrew text, and take a peek at the English if you need to. This week's passage is a very encouraging passage that reminds us that God loves us. He's engaged in our life, and when we suffer, He notices and He gets involved in a tangible way. God saw the suffering of the Israelites in Egypt, and He knew their suffering. He knew firsthand what they were thinking, what they were feeling, and God will provide a deliverer to remedy their problems. So enjoy that passage. Make it a devotional experience for yourself. Because we're gearing up for residency next week, in week 7, there's no forum discussion this week, but think about these things. Maybe jot down some notes and questions that you might have that we can discuss that in the residency. Please work on your critique of your colleague's paper. Remember to take careful note of what they've done well. At least 3 things that you want to reinforce. Give them a pat on the back that, this is excellent what you've done. But also notice at least 3 areas that they can improve on. Because the idea of peer review is that we help sharpen one another, that we challenge one another to think. So in a positive way that is constructive, write down at least 3 ways they can make their paper even better. And then next week, as we gather for residency, you'll present the paper of your colleague. So enjoy this week. I can't wait to see you next week, face-to-face. So let's have a good run-up to the residency. And most of all, enjoy it and glorify God through our study and journey together in Syriac. May the Lord bless you and keep you.